The Larson Electronics automatic transfer switch is ideal for managing electrical loads between two sources in industrial facilities. This 150 amp automatic transfer switch is service entrance rated, 400 volt 3-phase, 4-wire, mechanical lugs, and a NEMA 4X enclosure. This unit offers accurate control of electrical power and loads in locations where a backup generator or energy management system is installed. The controller is designed to handle all commands related to the following: timing, sensing, exercise functions, and transfers. Larson Electronics, building trust since 1973. Contact us today.